Hi, I'm Romi Hill, and I'm a knitwear designer, instructor, and author. And I'm really excited to be teaching at Yarnover in September of 2026. Yarnover was my first ever teaching gig long ago when I first started teaching, and it feels pretty amazing to be coming back. I will be teaching 3 classes this time, and they're 3 of my favorite technique classes to teach. So first up, I'm going to be teaching beaded colorwork. I have kind of a long-standing love affair with beads, and in this class, you'll learn how to place beads 3 different ways. 2 different ways by pre-stringing, and then 1 way by placing them as you go along. So we'll be looking at some kind of fun things that you can do with beads. We'll also be talking about how to modify colorwork charts so that you can use them for your beaded designs. I'm also going to be teaching a class called Lace and Cable Surgery. So we all know that every once in a while we make mistakes and we have to fix them. But what happens when you have lots of stitches on your needle and say, you're at the end of your shawl or your piece of lace and you realize that you have an error all the way back a few rows. So you don't want to have to rip everything out. And in this class, I'm going to teach you how to pin out a portion of your lace and then ladder back and knit it right back up. This technique can also be used on cables. I'll also show you what to do if you find after you've blocked everything, after you've bound off, what to do if you have a miscrossed cable. And last but not least, one of my favorites, 1, 2 pick up stitches. So we'll be talking about the difference between picking up stitches and picking up and knitting stitches, and how to use a ratio of stitches to rows to make sure that your pickup is nice and clean. We'll also be talking about how to pick up and knit stitches and go in the opposite direction from your cast on row and make that look completely seamless and beautiful. I hope that you will join me for 1, 2, or all 3 of my classes. I truly love these classes and I love teaching, and I can't wait to see you all there.